Okay, so now we have reached at a very at the final model and the most interesting part of the model. We'll be working with the ANN, Artificial Neural Network. For here, a demonstration purpose, I will be using one ANN network and we'll see how it performs and we'll make some observations based on that. Please just watch it and see. I am sure that you'll get a lot of things to learn here. So ANN, Artificial Neural Network. I'll put this into I'll put it into text. It'll hardly take a second. Okay, so let us begin. First of all, we need to import TensorFlow. So import TensorFlow as TF, and from TensorFlow import Keras. So we have imported TensorFlow and Keras. This is done. Now let us start building our model. So model is equals to keras.sequential and we will start here. Keras dot layers dot input. Shape equals to, I have to give the shape x underscore train dot shape. Pass this one and a comma. Sorry. And enter. Now for the next layer. Now Keras dot layers dot dense 12, and activation function is relu. Again Keras dot layers dot dense, I'll put 6, and here also activation is relu. And now keras.layers.dense, this is my output layer, so 1, and activation will be sigmoid. So this is done. Keras dot, I have made some mistake it seems, has sequential. It has no s because s is small, that is why it is not taking sequential. Now the shape is not defined. SHAPE. Okay. Keras.layers.input shape is not defined. Just let me check. Oh, sorry. X underscore train dot shape, right? And not now I will put this. Okay. Because of that, it was taking that error. So now this is done. Now I have to compile this model. So compiling the model. Compile the model. So model.compile. Here I have to provide optimizer. Optimizer is my add-in. Loss will be binary cross entropy. and metrics is accuracy. Now I have to fit my model, and I'll store the data into a variable history. So history equals to model.fit, and how we are fitting it? Simply xtrain, ytrain I have to pass, xtrain and ytrain. Here there are some other things also that we have to define, like epochs. So let us keep, I'll keep say 100 epochs here. Batch size, I'll keep it as 32, and validation split to 0.2. And I will now execute it. So it is running. It will take some time, about I think 1 minute. Let us see how much time it takes. Since it is a tabular data and the data is not much complex, it should not take that much time. So let's wait for it. Okay, so training part has completed. Uh, so now we'll proceed with our next step. Same y underscore pred underscore ann equals to model.predict x test. So here we have to take one more step, means we have to convert it into probability. Means actually we get the output as a probability, so we have to take one more step. Y underscore pred underscore ann equals to y underscore pred underscore ann greater than 0.5. This is a step that you need to add, and after this the steps will be same as the one before, that is this one. Instead of XGB accuracy, it will be ANN accuracy, and instead of this here it will be XGB, it will be ANN. Just give me 1 minute, I'll change it in few seconds. 3 and 4, and same for here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Same thing we are going to do. See, I'll see whether it is, if there is any error. No error is there. Accuracy is 85%. And I need to append this data. I need to add this data into my list. Here it is. I need to change it to ANN model, and instead of these I need to replace here, which hardly takes a second. Done. So with this my ANN model is complete. We have our predictions. I have metrics using the ANN also. So in the final conclusion, we will compare the result of all the models, and we'll see which model performed in better and which performed not so good. Thank you.